Hey there, Installer Gurus. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sudip, your Installer Guru, and today we're diving into the world of file compression with the powerhouse tool, 7-Zip. If you've ever wondered how to shrink those large files or organize folders efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. First things first, what is 7-Zip? It's a free, open-source file archiver with a high compression ratio. Whether you're a tech pro or a casual user, 7-Zip is a must-have tool in your arsenal. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to the official website, download the version for your operating system, and follow the installation wizard. It's quick, easy, and before you know it, 7-Zip is ready to roll. But here's a gem for our IT gurus out there. 7-Zip is also available as an MSI version. That means if you're managing a network with Active Directory, you can deploy 7-Zip effortlessly across all your client computers using Windows Group Policy. Talk about streamlining your software management. Let's take a tour of the user interface. Here we have the main toolbar, file browser, and the powerful context menu integration with Windows Explorer. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. Now the magic happens when you need to compress or decompress files. Simply select your files, right-click, and choose your option. It's that simple. 7-Zip supports a variety of formats, making it versatile for different needs. But wait, there's more. 7-Zip goes beyond the basics. You can password protect your archives, encrypt sensitive data, and even split large files into smaller parts. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your files. And there you have it, Installer Gurus. 7-Zip is a game changer for managing your files efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech goodness, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Oh, and for our network administrators, remember that 7-Zip's MSI version makes deployment a breeze in an Active Directory environment. Perfect for keeping everyone on the same page. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, this is Sudip, your Installer Guru, signing off.